What makes Digital Technology Partners truly different is our culture. We have a team of over 50 passionate employees who come to work every day to build world-class systems for dental practices.
For over 15 years, Digital Technology Partners has been building dental offices all around the Southeast. And so from the initial meeting with the doctor in sales, through working with contractors, with builders, with dental equipment representatives, we take care of our customers from beginning to end. We are usually with the doctor right at the beginning of the sales process, and we're usually the last contractor that leaves after your builder has finished and turned over keys, after all your dental equipment is in place. Digital Technology Partners is there to train your staff on any new equipment, to make sure that they understand all the technology that they have.
We strive to staff a help desk that is empowered with administration, that these people are making decisions about the systems they're touching, they're making significant changes, they're finding root cause, and they're fixing root cause so that issues don't recur, and that ultimately we're getting technology out of the way of our customers and letting them get back to doing business.
When a practice is looking to implement a new technology, Digital Technology Partners will consult with the client so that they understand what each step is and what to expect along the way. We'll interface with vendors, and we'll even manage on-site field service visits. We will do our best to make sure they have a successful implementation of the new technology.
We're in the business of data protection and business continuity. At the end of the day, it's making sure your data is safe. If a problem happens, we have a whole team of people that can come in and get that data back wherever you need it, and in a very timely manner.
Working in dental IT, which is ultimately healthcare IT, requires us to follow HIPAA guidelines. Digital Technology Partners does this by offering risk assessments, risk analysis, training, and a myriad of other services that ensure that our customers are protected from an ever-present and constantly growing set of threats in the digital world around them. We're really proud to have built and staffed a dedicated group of technicians at Digital Technology Partners. We refer to them as the Managed Services Department. They are the unsung heroes, and behind the scenes they make sure that antivirus is where it needs to be, backups are happening, updates are happening, and that ultimately there's a smooth experience. They're dedicated to that task, and they do an excellent job at it.
And our Work for Eli program makes sure that when technology is at the end of its life cycle, it's handled appropriately. And we do it in a very unique way. We give adults with disabilities job opportunities to come in, break things down, and make sure that product is going to the recyclers and the refineries that it needs to go to instead of the landfill.
We are family owned, and the best part about it is when we bring on new customers, it's like bringing on a new part of our family as well. We want to support you just as much as you support us.
Digital Technology Partners, your dental IT experts.